Here I have ZeWatch 4 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the right button to activate your smartwatch. Let's swipe to the left 2 times and here you have to choose the settings icon. Scroll down, choose reset. In order to perform the factory reset on your ZeWatch 4, let's tap agree key. As you can see, reset is in progress. The device is restarting, let's wait a couple of seconds. And that's it, now you can set up your device and pair with the other phone. You can check out how to do it on our other videos. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.